Faith, go get it. Go get it.
Can I get upstairs? Yeah, but I'm really sorry, hon. That really sucks. So do you think tomorrow, do you think anything's gonna go back to normal?
Something amazing. Like, get up and dance.
I'll just walk forward and then forward.
Come fight with me. Let's do an epic battle.
Ah! Oh God. Oh my God.
What are we doing?
An epic battle?
An epic battle? Can I throw you?
Yes.
Alright, cool.
Alright. Pick me up and then throw me down.
Alright.
Gently.
Wait, you gotta be facing me. Move that.
Onto this. Onto this. Right.
Huh? Onto that? Well, you're gonna go over there.
What?
You're gonna go over there.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright.
Ooh, that was amazing. Oh jeez. Alright.
So much, yeah. Yeah. They're videoing me right now with a video camera.
We're gonna watch in reverse.
Jared, I'm gonna throw you again. Come here.
Right.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. I wish that I could. Okay, bye. Arr.
Do something amazing. I don't know.
I'll jump up and down.
No,
You
because that
do
looks the
that.
same as it does
Oh,
backwards.
good point. How about...
Go do a
Oh,
somersault.
no, I'm
Go
gonna-
do a
I'm gonna
somersault.
fall. I'll do a cannonball.
Oh.
Because then I'll be...
You just broke my bed.